David do something to shut him up, man.
Do what?
Just shut him up. Just don't say anything as he's fucking barking at me. It's so annoying. You never hear him getting into trouble when he's going out the back and he just barks like for 10 minutes straight. The whole time he's out there, he just barks up to the sky. So he does. Nah, as soon as he's out, that's what he just starts. And then that's it, that's what he does when he goes out the back. Stop, Bubbles only barks if something barks back at him. And we get Bobo into trouble for it. That dog just does it. Bobo doesn't bark at people when you walk past him.
Venus, that one is. I looked it up, Dan.
Alright. So it's Venus?
It's Venus. And I thought it was fucking Saturn, because Saturn's somewhere else. It's bright, isn't it?
Wouldn't we see like Mars before we see Saturn? Saturn, no, like behind Jupiter? A little bit in front of it?
No, I don't know. But
maybe we can see them all. Have you ever seen that view? Like, if we lived on Saturn, what would it look like? The ring?
oh, I think it would be brilliant, wouldn't it?
Yeah. It'd probably just get boring now, just be like looking at the moon.
That's what's
It'd be cool for a couple of days. But still, we still look at the moon, don't we? I know. It's big.
I know. Oh, look at the size of the moon.
So there's a funny theory online that what if we are just a giant Capri Sun and the moon is the little hole at the top? It changes the way you look at the moon. You just see it like changes. Ah dear. And that ain't boo. And that ain't boo. Did you win? Did you win? You better win these, wee dick. Oh, here. Daniel doesn't like him. Pasta with this tomato and chilli sauce, and I had some spring rolls with it. Just put this sweet chilli sauce into the mix as well. It was really nice. Fried my pasta in Worcester sauce. No, I boiled it in Worcester sauce. Really, really good. If browned the pasta.
Got a bit of flavour in it.
Aye, it's class. Not just Worcester sauce, obviously water, but Worcester sauce in the morning.
Aye.
See that Jackie? Jackie? Are you filming the road?
Yep.
Why?
In case I get a bump.
What?
In case I get a bump.
A bump? From the front?
Well, no for the back anyway, is it?
How are you going to get a bump from the front? In case somebody collides with you?
No, in case somebody fucking hits me.
Have you got a bump before from the front? No?
It's usually my fault, isn't it?
It's a lot of battery though, isn't it?
It's just the cost anything to recharge your battery.
Nicky?
Eh?
Nicky? Well, maybe not cost, just paying the arse, charging it up all the time.
I went to a gig last night and figured I thought my camera was broke, I couldn't figure film anything. I never pressed the wee button. I must have pressed the button display, and the display was away. You know, the display at the back. And
the
it was coming up red. No, it was, see when I pressed it to record, I couldn't see it was recording. I was going, there's something wrong with it. I couldn't fiddle a bit with it because of the gig. I thought, that was me. Or raging.
So it worked though?
I thought I broke my camera.
But you didn't?
Oh, it was fine. The camera was fine, just need to press a button. Fine. Just good. Was that Joanne?
Trying to do some...
Joanne Shaw, Taylor Shaw. Blues player, she's really good. In the ABC.
Top? Oh?
Sick Hill Street. Aye, the top, aye.
Walden.
She filmed it. She filmed it. Quite good.
She filmed it?
She filled it.
She filmed it? Is it UK?
Aye. Every time you go to the ABC, you've got all of your times because you know it stops at 10. It's a pain in the arse. Because you're always used to the 11 o'clock, you know, stop.
Or at least half time. I can't remember at all, to be honest, cuddling into Myra and Graham. I can remember their faces.
Snuggling into the big ditties.
See, as soon as you said that, I was like, oh my god, what if I did say something? Not like that, but something bad. Like about drugs or whatever. It's funny that we're at the same gig as them, no? Not just like the same gig, the same DJ. You got nail clippers in this van? Those scissors? Nails to my nose. See, Eloise chopped my locks off. Oh no, Eloise didn't do it. I went up and then she got her hairdresser to do it.
Does she charge it?
Eloise?
Not the hairdresser?
No, I went up to get Eloise to do it. Specifically because I was getting a free haircut. So Eloise would have paid for it, I'm guessing. People that do that hairdressing at home thing, that's just pocket money, innit? Because how much do they charge, really? Is it like a £5 a haircut?
It's 10.
Yeah.
Well, for guys, for women it's different. See, they get 40 quid a a time. If it depends who it is. Or 30.
So they can do alright if they actually go for it.
Well, I suppose.
They're doing it every day. It is a pure everyday job now, isn't it? Because you get biscuits and tea and you chat shite in between.
It's the chatting, isn't it? The woman can chat like hell with them.
I know. As soon as Aunt Louise leaves the room now, it was like... Then she done alright though. She was, I had nothing to say. I was like, fuck, I've got nothing to say. But then she was asking me about the pictures and shit, so I was like, thank God.
That's new, isn't it?
What?
Whatever that is over there, the signs on it, the purple ones.
Are the buildings gonna...
No, the signs on you. Roads are dead, isn't it?
What fun?
No idea, Saturday night. Everything's dead.
Saturday night.
Well, it's Saturday night. You think we're a wee bit busy? Can't be anything on it there.
I know. Cannot be fucked with this shift.
That could be good, you could chat to people.
Andy Rose though.
Rose? See if you can get her up the road.
It says empty.
Exactly.
I've got an empty. Apart from my sister. She won't mind though.
It's got to be some belly dance.
Ugh. Never again.
Never seen it like that.
No. Hopefully never again.
That's better. Pretty short place, I think.
Can't you stand them?
No, I don't know.
Load of fish.
Really popular.
I don't know why.
Yeah, little coming as well. Good.
Again?
Well, again, have they been here?
No.
Huh?
I thought they had a bit of something in it. Other bands. There's been so many oldies in that hydro recently.
Yeah, lobby. They'll cost a few bob for their tickets.
I've seen them already.
I know, I wouldn't go see them.
No, patch that out. Shite.
I don't know.
No, they're no shite. I like them. I thought their performance was pretty good. But we were all the way up the back, to be fair.
It was pissing.
What?
It was raining.
Ah, so you can still... I was on a huge countdown. Still... I like that there now, that one. Whatever that one is.
Don't know now.
Down now. Down now. I don't know. I wanna rain. Oh.
All over the world. All over the world.
All over the world?
All over the world.
Oh, that one. We want it down. Oh, no, we want it down. Down.
I think you would have liked Mr. Blue Sky.
Ah, I like that. That's just, you can play that though, and I don't know, anyone can play that and I'd like it. I know it's their song. Ah, I loved that. I thought that was brilliant. Black Sabbath, the final tour. Again. Club Noir. 7 Deadly Sins.
Looking forward to seeing Rag and Bone Man. Yeah, that's that. That's March. It's February. You fed up hearing this song, Odyssey.
Oh, just the one song?
Well, everybody plays it now, don't they? Fucking that human.
What, on Radio 2?
Radio 2 on the telly, it's fucking human.
I've never heard it.
You know?
No.
It's a really good song, but
Rag and Bone Man. Where are you going? I'm not done.
play them the night when you're in there.
Rag and Bone Man.
Rag and Bone. Some voice.
I'm not saying he's not. It's a funny name.
Started that for rapper.
Aye?
Kind of rap and blues.
Did you not say it was kind of like that guy, D'Angelo? Kind of like that?
Well, that's who he's. Aye. If you like D'Angelo, you'll like him.
Okay.
You know, that kind of thing.
Yeah. D'Angelo was like going to be the best thing at that fucking festival. Did you see the new name for Glastonbury?
That was fake.
Was it fake? Oh, was that fake name though, innit? Variety something?
Aye, something right.
Variety. Is it getting its name changed though?
No.
Is it moving out of Glastonbury?
For a while. For a year. I don't know if they're going to run two. They're kind of mixed up. It's going further up, it's going to the Midlands.
Was it? That's a better journey.
But I'd rather be in Glasgow. I think the further down you go, the better chance you've got better weather.
Yeah. Because it's weird when you see pictures of Torquay and it looks like Spain.
I know.
It's weird. Like trees, the trees are different.
It's like palm trees.
Aye. What's that about?
It's nearly France, isn't it?
Yeah. Well, it's past the top of France. It's
Brittany.
Brittany.
What time is it? You get plenty of time.
What time is it?
What time?
Liam said there's a wee cafe opened up.
That's enough.
Oh, they've got a cash machine as well. Winston House.
What do you mean a cash machine?
A cash machine? They've got a cash machine? A free cash machine?
Oh, right, aye. Is it no always there?
No, that'd be well handy.
Right.
The taxis and the punters, they're always like, where's the cash machine? And then they go all the way over there and then they don't come back.
Did you say it's a vegan one?
Liam said to me it might just have a vegan menu. How?
Winston House, that's a stupid name, isn't it? For a cafe? I don't know, the Finney Cafe or something?
I think it's posh.
Ah.
If it's vegan, it's going to be posh.
Unique, isn't it?
Well, it'll be closing up now.
It's not a bar, isn't it?
Have they got alcohol?
Maybe. They have boat beer.
It's weird that wee rosy, that black poppy, you can get a beer out of there. See beside the pool bar?
What's a pool bar?
The Chinese on the way up to us. The pool bar on Dragon's Way. The two Chineses on Stone Road.
Oh, right, aye. Aye, in there, I know you're right.
Yeah,
Is that still gone now?
Aye.